Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing an engine and defining scope. Explain why. It shapes workflow, tooling, and build size. Once chosen, create a Git repo, branch strategy, and CI hooks to prevent breakage. Make a tiny prototype in 48 to 72 hours that proves the core mechanic, a single playable loop. This forces trade-offs early. Make sure to log decisions and playtest immediately. Quick feedback steers the rest of development. You now expand the prototype into systems. Build clear responsibilities for input, physics, AI, UI, and save/load. Once done, create an asset pipeline with import settings, LOD, and compression rules so artists can work fast. Iterate in short sprints, adding one feature at a time and refactoring after each pass. Make sure to profile regularly. Identify and fix the top 1 or 2 performance hotspots per sprint. This keeps the build stable and prevents technical debt from exploding. You move to polish and shipping. Lock gameplay features, tune values, and prepare final builds for each platform. Once done, run structured QA, automated tests plus focused playtests to catch regressions and UX issues. Make sure to include analytics and crash reporting so you can triage problems after release. For troubleshooting, if a showstopper bug appears, reproduce with a minimal scene, bisect commits, and ship a hotfix branch. That single disciplined approach usually wins time and trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.